guys. I want to do a video on the momentum indicator that I use and show you why I've got it as part of my um, strategies pretty much in everything that I do. I picked this up from William Blau. He has a book that you can look at, Momentum, Direction, and Divergence. Really good book. And he basically is double smoothing momentum. Um, this indicator is purely math, and the reason that they double smooth is to get these change in direction. So it's more of an absolute function for momentum change. It's everything about price changes. There's other indicators that you can refer to that are double smoothed, including the slow stochastic indicator and the RSI is a double smooth. The MACD, maybe RSI is a single smooth, but definitely MACD and stochastics, as well as other indicators. So this is a book you can get about it. Highly recommend it. Let's see if I can get this to close. And MQL5 has a different, decent take on his indicators, all of them. He does a lot with the ergodic indicator and the other true strength indicator, index indicators, but I just really am inclined to go with this way he double smooths momentum. And so I've set this up using his techniques of smoothing to show that divergence and direction and also signal change, price direction change. So I've got it on my charts and I can show you right here how to put it on your chart using a double smoothing technique in NinjaTrader and with the Bollinger Band on it. It is pretty cool. You can do this right in your NinjaTrader console. Here's your 1 period momentum, and then you just change your input series to the momentum and double smooth it in NinjaTrader. So I've set up 2 templates doing this. I use the EMA slope color indicator to mimic momentum. So I set this to a 1 period, and then inside that, in my nesting, I can choose the momentum indicator, put a 1 period on it, and then double nest that with a 20 and a 5. You can use a 20 and a 3 or a 20 and 1, but the point is the smoothing on momentum is not lagging. It is more showing that directional change. And that's what we want to be looking for to see when the end of that run is going to happen and you get the chance for the change going back inside the band, hitting that mid band, and here we jumped over it. So we had a small bar change, but here when it jumped the Q and jumped up out of the Bollinger opposite band, and that's where you know that your change in direction has occurred. So if you can incorporate this in your strategies to no longer take trades even though they're down bars, and wait for price to align back up with the Bollinger Band, you might get better results. I've got a template set up showing the Bollinger mid-band. So when price crosses the mid-band of the BB bomb, I'll get a BloodHound signal and up or down, and this can get you into some longer term trades and help you directionally. I've got one with the high and low set up, so it has to break that opposite channel up or down before you can get engaged. And then again, if you just want the slope of the BB mom indicator, that's a good confirming indicator slope. So you could put maybe a mid-band and a slope requirement in Blackbird and get that double confirmation. I've also set one up with the trend just to show you the larger time frame moving average to go in the direction with the trend. Now this does not have divergence set up on the indicator. That'll have to be a separate customization. Divergence is kind of tricky to get just using a standard momentum signal. I can prepare that for the highs and lows. I'll have to get a separate chart built with that, but right now we're just getting directional signals with the trend. And here's your just flat bar direction for your momentum without the BB mom on it. And one more, if you have the PT indicator, I'll give you a bonus solver if you purchase the BB mom BloodHound template that has the threshold for the NQ set up. And I guess I can be adding more thresholds as they develop for other templates. Maybe crude, that would be good. But this may help us formulate timing using math of the momentum and the Bollinger momentum into the trading. So if you like the template, it's available on the website. Just pop over. It's a black box template. You're not going to get the code, but you certainly will get the chart template set up different ways for, let me get this off of there. You'll get this. If you don't have the PT indicator, this will be your chart template. And if you do have BloodHound and you want to incorporate the BloodHound logic with your BB mom, I've got it set up like this. This is what you'll get. And you can see that the BB mom looks different than the other one, but it's the same. I'm just printing it as a dot instead of a bar, and I changed the colors. That's it. But otherwise, it's the same. And that's about it. Hope y'all have a great start of your year, and hope that helps you. I recommend those two articles on the MQL5 about Blau's indicators and momentum, as well as maybe pick up his book at Amazon. I think it's really, really instructive. But to go directionally with momentum as much as possible and stay on the right side of the trade. All right, y'all take care. Thank you.